Hi, I wanted to show you probably an underused feature in Paragon under the search criteria. So if I go to search and residential, and I'm going to go to the map search, and I know several of us have used the map search, but there's a portion of it that I'm not sure we're all familiar with. So I'm going to draw an area. I'm just going to hit draw and do my rubber band. I'm going to say my buyer is interested in this particular area. So I have mapped that out, and then I could add that to my criteria. But before I do that, they just don't like this Westwood Street that backs up to War Memorial. So I'm going to draw again, and I'm going to try to block out just that street area. And once I've drawn that second rectangle, I'm going to hit edit. And you'll see here that it's both of these are included. I'm going to click on this to exclude that area. So what this will do when I add it to my criteria, it will look for listings everything in blue, but exclude this particular little portion. Hope that gives you some new ideas on how to utilize Paragon.